Good afternoon. My name is Dinesh, and I'm working in AIB Bank as a database administrator on DB2 Database, which is a licensed IBM database for mainframe platform called Zero Systems. I moved to Ireland for almost 6 years now and working for the same organization since then. Before joining an IT company in India, I have completed my engineering in electronics and telecommunication in 2004. As on the dashboard, you can see that I have completed all the rooms assigned to me in the TryHack Me for network security. The learning path shows all the network security assignments completed until week 8. Now I'm going to demonstrate one of the tasks from firewall rooms to block an IP. For that, I have already started the attack box and the victim machine. Here you can see the attack box IP and the victim machine IP, which is connected now. So in the task, as they have mentioned, we have to block the HTTP traffic from this particular IP. I'm going to access this IP and see whether we have the access currently. I'm getting the page and I'm connected for now. So I'm going to set up a new rule to block that particular IP. So in the rule type, we will be customizing the rule which will be applicable to all programs. And the prototype that is being used now is the TCP IP. We are going to block all the local or the remote ports for this particular rule. The scope is all the IP addresses coming from the HTTP traffic. And the action that this particular rule will perform is block the connection from any of the HTTP traffic. It will be applicable for all the domains and the private or the public profiles. Naming this particular rule as block 10 and enabling the rule. So now that rule has been enabled, we will try to access the IP address again. It took some time, but it is now enabled. So as you can see on the screen, the content from this website listed is being blocked, and we are not able to reconnect to that particular website. If we disable this rule now and try accessing the site again, it is available. I'm now going to demonstrate the cross-site scripting using the Bob suite. I have already started the attack box and the victim machine for that. In the example, it is asking us to access the support form, which I have already opened. To enter the malicious code, we are going to enter the script in the contact email, and it is not allowing me to do that. To bypass this, we need to enable the burp suite on the attack box and enable the intercept on. Now, if I try to enter some valid email ID here with test query and try to submit it, burp suite is capturing something in the background, which is the email ID. Now, if we try to replace this email ID with the malicious script, and forward this, it will display the successful cross-site scripting. The third example I'm going to demonstrate is from the OWASP top 10 room. I have already started the attack box and the target machine. The risk that we are demonstrating is the broken access control because of the insecure direct object reference. For that, we have to log into the website using the user note and the given password. If you look at the notes here, they are there for the user, but in the URL page, we can also see the direct object ID referred as 1 here. If we can try and change that to 2, we are able to see the ID for the nodes for different user 2, which is the risk. It did not even ask for the login credentials for the other user. If we change the ID for 0, we're able to see the flag which is required in this task. So this is the risk arising because of the direct object reference in the URL page.